What's up, everybody? My name is Phil. Welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. And welcome to the Patreon videos. This is going to be an exclusive channel just for you. What will this channel include? A lot of stuff. We're gonna have 3 different tiers to choose from, as well as some goals to shoot for, because we're going to grow this Patreon page, well, until, well, there are no limits. I'll just keep growing and growing and growing. Now, why did I decide to do this? Well, because I want to be able to support our YouTube channel and then bring you some exclusive content. We're gonna have some behind the scenes footage. I'm actually going to use my camera on my phone and just kind of shoot raw. And I think what I'm going to do also is shoot in 4K. So it's going to be very high quality, going to be short clips, 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes tops, depending on what type of footage and detailing and information that I'm going to give to you. But this channel is going to fill up with all sorts of behind the scenes footage and exclusive stuff that I'm not going to show on the YouTube channel. Now, already I have some footage of a detail that we did, and I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of what this channel is going to include. Beautiful day. It's a little chilly though. There's that little mark there. So with our trailer, man, it's a little bit messy. Water spots show up on the wheels. Why not use Bead Maker? Let's see. Oh yeah, that's nice. So make sure to get all these little bits. That's why I'm shooting this. This is more raw. Using the turtle wax upholstery cleaner.
I like that it's small.
You thought I was going to put my finger in there, didn't you?
I'm going to douse it because it's pretty bad.
Okay.
So it sinks in pretty quickly though.
And get in there and dress these little bits.
Alright, we're done. Lunchtime, Sergio's Pizza. Let's go. So guys, what do you think? You want to see more content like that? It's just raw. It's going to be pretty much unedited, except for some jump cuts that I need to make to be able to make it flow smoothly and to be able to keep it to a short video. But if that's something that you want, then select from these different tiers. Tier 1 is going to be early access to any of our YouTube videos. As soon as I make them, I'll post them on here, and you will get early access for just $1 a month. Then it bumps up to $10 a month. What will you get? That's going to be the behind the scenes footage. It's going to be smaller clips, again, up to 5 or 10 minutes, and it's just going to be raw 4K footage of us and our detailing jobs. It could be things like facing a problem that we have, or just daily vlogging of what we do in between the jobs, during the jobs, all sorts of stuff. Anytime I feel like just picking up the phone and the camera and talking to you guys and sharing what we're doing, that's what I'm going to do. Instead of setting up the larger camera, that's more for our production videos, I'm going to be picking up our phone and just shooting some raw video, talking to you guys. It's going to be a lot more relaxed, possibly a lot funnier and crazier, because I'm not going to try to cut out all the silly, goofy stuff that happens. I'm going to leave that stuff all in there so that you can actually see. I keep everything very clean on this channel. I do not allow any type of foul language, anything that is potentially dangerous or inappropriate. That will not be on the channel. This is just going to be raw footage of our daily detailing life, behind the scenes stuff. And I'll just keep posting and posting and posting and posting. I'll fill up this tier 2 with all sorts of stuff. So for $10 a month, that's what you're going to get. Now, if you really want to bump it up and get all of that stuff, including a free mug, then you bump it up to $15 a month. You get a free mug, and then you get access to all the other good stuff as well. Now, we have some goals to shoot for with these tiers. If we reach $500 per month with the Patreon page, then I'm going to give away a polisher. Now, it could be a brand new, top of the line, whatever polisher is out that month or that year, whenever it reaches up to that point. You guys can be the judge. You can actually let me know down below what type of polisher you want. Will it be the brand new Rupes polisher that may be coming out in the next couple of months or years? Will it be the cordless flex polishers? Will it be a Rupes hybrid? I don't know. It all depends on you. Let me know within those tiers if you sign up for that, and let me know what type of polisher that you want. Now, the goal will also go up to $1,000 a month. If we can reach that goal together, $1,000 a month, then I will be giving away bigger prizes. What about an electric pressure washer setup? Or I don't even know what else. Sky's the limit. If we make up to that amount, that is supporting the YouTube channel, and I will just keep pumping out more content for you guys. That will mean more content here and more content on the YouTube channel. The more more all of this stuff grows together, the more stuff I can give to you as far as content and prizes. So guys, enjoy the Patreon page. Please sign up for those different tiers. Share this with others who may enjoy it. Go to our YouTube page and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And make sure not to miss any of these videos that we have coming out on our Patreon page. So thank you, Patreon viewers. I hope you enjoy this channel and all the content and prizes to come. We will see you in the next video.